Ever wondered what type of soil is in your garden? This isn't just a curiosity. In fact, understanding your garden soil is crucial to successful gardening. Think of it this way. Your soil is the foundation upon which your garden grows. There are 4 main soil types: sandy, silty, clay, and loamy. Each has its own characteristics and gardening implications. So the question is, what's in your garden? Knowing your soil type can be the key to a flourishing garden. First up, sandy soil. Ever felt like your water just runs straight through your soil? That's sandy soil for you, light, dry, warm, and gritty. It's a bit of a challenge to retain moisture and nutrients. Sandy soil may require more care, but can be excellent for certain types of plants. Next, we have silty soil. Is your soil smooth to the touch and holds moisture well? Silty soil is highly fertile and excels in water retention. However, it tends to compact easily, which can pose challenges. Plants in silty soil can thrive, given the right care. Then there's clay soil. Does your soil feel heavy and sticky when wet? Clay soil is rich in nutrients but drains poorly. It demands careful handling to avoid compaction and poor aeration. Clay soil can be challenging, but it's a powerhouse of nutrients for your plants. Finally, we have loamy soil. Considered the gardener's best friend, do you know why? It's because loamy soil strikes an ideal balance of sand, silt, and clay. This balance ensures excellent structure, nutrient content, and moisture retention. Loamy soil is often the goal for gardeners, providing the perfect home for a wide variety of plants. So there you have it, a quick guide to understanding your garden soil. Remember, the key to any thriving garden is truly knowing what's beneath your feet. Whether it's sandy, silty, clay, or loamy, each soil has its own charm and challenges. So put on your gloves, grab that trowel, and start investigating your garden's foundation. The more you know, the more your garden will grow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights. Happy gardening!